हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय टूडेस वीडियो। आज मैं आपसे कराने वाला हूँ असेंशियल्स ऑफ इंग्लिश ग्रामर एंड कॉम्पोजिशन क्लास 8 सुल्तान चंद पब्लिकेशंस की है इंग्लिश ग्रामर की बुक का चैप्टर नंबर 5 वर्ब मॉडल्स की सारी एक्सरसाइजेस। तो चलिए अब हम इस वीडियो को करते हैं स्टार्ट। एक्सरसाइज 1 के साथ हम स्टार्ट करेंगे। फिल इन द ब्लैंक with can, could or may, keeping in mind the speaker and the person being addressed. Head boy to the sports in charge, sir dash I be excused for attending tomorrow's meeting. May. Child to his mother, I don't want to eat this porridge. Dash I have some aloo parathas instead. Can. Third, Ronnie talking to a friend who has an album in her hand. These pictures seem to be beautiful. Dash I have a look at them. Could. A car driver to a stranger. Dash you please tell me the way to the hospital. Could. Fifth, typist talking to her boss on intercom. I have typed all the letters, sir. May sir dash I bring them in yours for your signatures. May. Father to his son. Dash you give me the details of this class excursion. Can. एक्सरसाइज 2 ऑरल प्रैक्टिस के लिए है। अब हम चलते हैं एक्सरसाइज 3 के ऊपर। कंप्लीट दिस सेंटेंसेस यूजिंग कैन और बी एबल टू। यूज कैन इफ possible, otherwise use able to. What she dash be true, but I do not really think so. So can. Next, second, I have not dash revised the whole of my syllabus. Able to. I don't think I will be dash attend your sister's wedding. Able to. Ring up Alok, he might dash help you. Able to. Only your father dash help you in this situation. Can. However hard I will try. I try. There is nothing I dash do to get out of this mess. Can. The light is dim but I dash read the book. Can. Exercise 4 oral practice के लिए exercise 5 complete these sentences using could, could not or be able to. I went to every drugstore but I dash get the medicine. Could not. Second, despite the short notice given to her, she dash finished the work on time. Could not. I did not have the complete address, so I dash locate the house. Could not. Although the river was flooded, I dash swim to the other bank. Was able to. Fifth, the whole place was full of mosquitoes. I dash sleep at night. Could not. Sixth, I dash meet him personally, but I dash contact him on the phone. Could not. I could meet him personally, but I could not contact him on the phone. One dash walk to the market or take a rickshaw to go there. Could. Exercise 12, fill in the blank with can, can't, could or could not with one of these verbs. I am afraid I dash any longer. I am already quite late. Can't wait. It was so foggy that we dash very fast. Could not drive. We are glad to inform you that we dash all the books you need. Can supply. It was a cloudy day, so I dash any photographs. Could click. Fifth, we regret to say that we dash these damaged goods. Can lead. Sixth, even though her family is not well, she dash quite a happy life. Could not accept. Exercise 8, complete these sentences with could or could have plus a suitable verb. So जो पिछली थी वो एक्सरसाइज 6 थी एंड इसके बाद में एक्सरसाइज 8 बिकॉज एक्सरसाइज 7 ऑरल प्रैक्टिस के लिए है। वाई डिड नॉट यू पार्टिसिपेट? यू डैश द टूर्नामेंट. कुड हैव प्लेड. नेक्स्ट, सेकेंड, आई एम फीलिंग सो टायर्ड. आई डैश asleep any moment. Could. Fifth, my uncle gave me a lift in his car or I dash have late for school. I could have been late for school. Fourth, I am feeling so thirsty. I dash anything for a glass of water. Could do anything. Fifth, did you watch the Indie last evening? No. I dash but I decided not to. I had to prepare for a test. I could have watched. Next, exercise 9, rewrite these sentences using may, might और could. So ये भी oral practice ही है. पहले oral practice करनी है, फिर उसके बाद करना है. The baby is crying. Perhaps it is hungry. A good pause. The baby may be hungry. So नेक्स्ट, यानी यहाँ पे एक एग्जांपल दी हुई है, आप एक बार समझ सकते हैं. Perhaps the colors are of cheap quality. The colors may or might or could be of a cheap quality. The baby is crying. Perhaps it is hungry. The baby may be hungry. Perhaps the inspection team is in some class. A weak pause. Might be. Next. Perhaps the soldiers are having their annual parade. A very weak pause. So क्या आएगा इसका? Could आएगा. Next. I can see people wading across the water. Perhaps water is not very deep at this place. May आएगा. So next चलते हैं exercise 10 के ऊपर. Read the given situation, then make sentences with the help of the clues provided for oral practice. There is a phone for Dr. Singh. Do you know where he is? He leave early. So he might have left early. I wonder why the train has stopped suddenly. Somebody pulled chain. Somebody may have pulled the chain. I was surprised that Juhi was not at the wedding. They forgot to invite. They may have forgotten to invite her. The phone has been ringing for such a long time. Where is Parul? She sleep. She might be sleeping. Fifth, do you know where my car keys are? You leave in the car. You might have left in the car. Exercise 11. Complete the sentences with must or have to, had to. Sometimes it is possible to use either must or have to. Checks for school fees dash be deposited in the bank. Must. The players dash take their physical fitness very seriously. Have to. You dash come and meet me when you visit Delhi next. Have to. You dash try these pastries. They look so yummy. Have to. We cannot hold the show in this heavy rain. We dash cancel it. Must. Sixth, I missed the last bus to Delhi. I dash spend another night at the hotel. Have to. Seventh, you dash always wash your hands before taking your meals. Must. Exercise 12. Complete this sentence with must not or don't does not have. You dash be always rich if you want to help others. Don't have to. Second, it's no parking zone. We dash park our car here. Must not. Third, oh such days, children dash come to school in uniform. Don't have to on such days. I will return his school tomorrow. I will return his books tomorrow. He dash remind me. Does not. We dash pay the bill only in cash. We can pay by check also. Must not. We dash get his father's permission for everything he does. Must not. Exercise 13. Complete these sentences with don't, does not, did not, have to plus one of the verbs. The school offers free hostel facilities to the toppers. So I dash anything for boarding and lodging. Did not hire. His father has a flourishing business. He dashed for a job. Does not look. Our schools are closed for summer holidays, so we dash up early. Don't get. Fourth, Vivek soon became conscious. We dash take him to the hospital. Did not take. Fifth, we had plenty of time to walk to the theatre. We dash cab. Don't pay. Exercise 15th. Complete these sentences with should have plus the verb in the brackets. Ours was a much better team. We dashed the match. Should have won. Second, why did you wait so long? You dash the police immediately. Should have called. Why did you drink tap water? You dash it before drinking it. Should have boiled. Fourth, it was a serious problem. The principal dash a meeting to discuss it. Should have called. The field umpire dashed the third umpire before giving the verdict. Should have consulted. Exercise 18th. Fill in the blank with must not or ought not to. You dash take any medicine without the doctor's advice. Ought not to. Second, you dash keep these library books with you for more than a week. Must not. We dash leave the car unlocked. Ought not to. Fourth, you dash go inside without signing the entry register. Must not. We dash throw rubbish in the street. Ought not to. Exercise 19th. What would you say in these situations? Begin your sentence with may for all practice. To a candidate contesting an election, may victory be yours. To a friend going to take his or her final examination, may you do your best. To a friend's sister who is going to get married, may you lead a happy life. To a friend who has been ill for a very long time, may you get well soon. To a friend about to play in a chess tournament, may you do your best. Exercise 20. Complete the sentences need not have or did not need to and the verb given in the bracket. The hotel provides a decent bed. You dash your own bedding. Did not need to bring. He knew our program was confirmed. I dash him. Did not need to reminded him. All the lessons were at my tips. I dashed them again. Did not need to revise. These books are available in the library. You dash them. You need not to buy them. Uncle had sent his driver to receive us. We dashed for a cab. Did not need to look for a cab. सो फ्रेंड्स आज की वीडियो इतना ही। मैं आप सभी को लूँगा नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। इस वीडियो को देखने के लिए थैंक्स।